Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a game changer in portable oxygen therapy, that is Inogen ROV6. The Inogen ROV6 is a lightweight portable oxygen concentrator that delivers highly accurate burst dose oxygen wherever we are. It weighs just around 2.2 kg, making it easy to carry in a backpack or shoulder bag. The body is durable, lightweight shell made from medical grade plastic. The device has a digital screen with buttons which allows the user to turn on the device on and off and adjust the oxygen dose. This device has a nasal cannula port, which is a small outlet where the nasal cannula tubings is connected. The purpose of this oxygen cannula port is to deliver the oxygens directly to the patients. The device has a dew filter, which is a replaceable and washable, but the filter has to be cleaned with a alcohol-based solutions, not in a running water. The device has a battery compartment at the bottom of the machines where we have to remove and put it back. It also has a LED light showing the remaining battery, which helps the user to know when to recharge or swap the battery. It has an alarm system which alerts users about low battery and flow interruptions. It has a carrying straps which make it easy to carry the ROV6 like a bag or sling it over the shoulder for daily mobility. The device comes along with two chargers. One is the AC charger and the other one is the DC charger, which it will be connected at the back of the machines. It has a small exhaust fan which releases warm air generated by the oxygen concentrator to prevent overheating.